I'm going to be showing you today how to make a famous Tenaglia omelet. It's going to have broccoli and cheese in it. So in my bowl I'm starting with 2 eggs, a little dash of salt and pepper, and about 2 teaspoons of milk or water. And I am going to mix it up just with a fork until the egg yolk and white are thoroughly blended together. On my stove, you're going to see I have a small omelet pan. It's a non-stick finish, and I have it preheating on my stove, and if you can notice, I set my burner to medium. And I'm going to know when my pan is hot enough, when I can feel a little bit of heat coming off the pan when I hover my hand over it. I'm going to take just a very small amount of butter, place it on my skillet, and with a silicone spatula, in my opinion, this is an outstanding tool for making an omelet. I'm just going to swish this butter around to include the sides of my pan. You kind of want to work quickly at this point. I'm going to pour all of my egg mixture into my skillet, and it's going to begin to sizzle, and because the pan is hot, the bottom of the omelet immediately begins to cook. In fact, you can see right around the outside edge of the pan, the egg is lightening in color. You'll also see that in the center of the omelet, you can see that there are some bubbles beginning to form. With my silicone spatula, I'm going to swoop around the outside edges of my omelet and to loosen it. Then I'm going to push the cooked portion of the omelet toward the center of the pan, lightly tilting the pan so that the liquidy egg can flow underneath and begin the cooking process. This egg is going to be cooked in one flat plane. Now, prior to starting this, you're going to want to make sure that you have all of your ingredients that you're going to place inside of your omelet ready to go, because it's kind of a quick process. This is a fantastic way to get more vegetables into your diet in an incredibly tasty kind of a dish. So hopefully you can see on this video how there's still a little bit of liquidy egg here that I'm trying to brush to the sides so that then I can get it to go underneath the skillet, underneath the egg which is already cooked. We don't want to be eating any liquid egg. I'm tucking it right underneath because the pan is going to cook on the bottom first. And I think I've got it pretty well cooked at this point. Now, what I have here, what I'm adding into my omelet is broccoli. It's a great way to use leftover broccoli. I've taken some broccoli and lightly steamed it, and I'm placing it on half of my omelet. I'm going to take some grated sharp cheddar cheese, sprinkle it on top here. You're welcome to use any other cheese you like or none at all. You could do a combination of vegetables with my silicone spatula. And the half which doesn't have any veggie on it, I'm going to slide my spatula under, quickly give it a flip over. Voila! My omelet is finished. And to take it out of the pan and onto the plate, gently lift it and it will slide right out of the pan and onto the plate. Enjoy. Mr. Cunningham, thanks for filming this, and this is your